how to subscribe to someone on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Now this is a brand new feature Instagram has introduced, and yeah, like I said, I'm going to show it right now. So all you want to basically do is go to an account which is where you are able to subscribe to. Not every account has it, so keep that in mind. And you will see this crown over here. You can click on there, or where you can see follow, message, and also subscribe. You can also click on there. So a lot of accounts where you can subscribe to usually have this sort of like preview video that explain what you will get when you subscribe. So definitely check that out first if they have it. But yeah, if you are certain that you want to subscribe, click on subscribe. And here you can see what you will get access to. And then you can click subscribe. And now it says payment processing. And now all I have to do is double click on my like on and off button. That is how it works on iPhone, because I already have my PayPal connected and everything in the settings. I believe on Android you'll just have to pay via like Google Play or something. And yeah, that's how you can have a subscription, or how to subscribe to someone on Instagram. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.